In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a mask on a shape layer. So typically, in After Effects, when you want to create a mask, you first select the layer that you want to create a mask on. You then go up to the top toolbar and choose one of the shape tools, or the pen tool. I'm just going to choose the rectangle tool. I had the logo layer selected in the Layers panel. And when I click and draw a rectangle, After Effects creates a mask, not a shape layer. Now, if you want to create a shape layer, not a mask, well, first you need to make sure that you have no layers selected in the Layers panel. So you can just click in an empty space to deselect all layers. I'll go back up to the top toolbar where I can select one of the shape tools or the pen tool. I'm just going to select the rectangle tool. I'll keep this blue fill color, no stroke. I'm just going to click, I'll draw out a square or a rectangle. So if I hold the Shift key, that'll make a perfect square. I can hold the space bar to move it around. I'll let go. And now I've just created a shape layer, not a mask. To create a mask on a shape layer, first select the shape layer, go up to the top toolbar, choose any one of the shape tools or the pen tool. I'm going to choose the ellipse tool. Now if you look at my cursor, you'll see that little star icon. That star is telling me that I am about to create a shape, not a mask. So in order to create a mask on this shape layer, I'm going to go up to the top toolbar next to the star. If I hover my cursor, you'll see the tooltip says Tool Creates Mask. So I'm going to click. Notice the icon next to my cursor changed from the star to a square with a circle in the center, indicating that I'm about to create a mask, which is exactly what I want. So I have the ellipse tool selected. Now I can just click, I'll drag out a circle or ellipse. I'll hold the Shift key to make a perfect circle. I can tap the spacebar so I can reposition it. And now I just created a mask. So the fix for creating mask on a shape layer, you're going to select the shape layer. You're going to click on the icon tool Creates Mask. Then when you click and draw out, you are creating a mask on that shape layer.